is to protect our society. So, the evolutionary theories like mutation theory, natural selection theory, and the Lamarck theory, so many theories have been evolved and which impact for all the science subjects. That's why I am taking this topic today. Let us discuss very famous personality of evolutionary biologist, Dr. Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin proposed the theory Darwinism. Darwin theory. He was very much impressed by all the scientists now itself, because the science have been proved their concept and laws. Here, Charles Darwin was English naturalist. He visited Galapagos Island. He took some photograph and he visited Galapagos Island by ship called HMS Beagle. The name of the ship, HMS Beagle. Name of the ship, HMS Beagle. He visited Galapagos Island at the Atlantic Ocean. He impressed by so many animals and plants. Particularly, he was impressed by finch bird. The finch bird is a very special bird which having more and more variations. After he collected his photograph, he saw the finch bird. He was very much impressed, and he was published his article, Origin of Life. He published the journal Origin of Life. All the scientists have been turned to the Charles Darwin side. So it was attracted. He explained that the finch bird having their beaks are, some beaks are like crow, some beaks are very long in size like woodpecker, some beaks are like parrot. So the same bird having various kind of beaks, how it possible? He explained about this theory, natural selection theory. According, based on the environment, the beaks have been modified themselves for taking their foods. So, he was explained the Darwinism or Darwin concept. What are the main important points of the Darwin theory or Darwinism is? Number one is productivity of population or overproduction. So naturally, you can see microbiologists experiment in the microbes. Microbes having asexual reproduction, the microbes having multiplications, which are more growth of populations. But what naturally the microbes have been just a small amount have been produced, other all are died. For example, very interestingly, he explained about Puyol oyster. That's the name of the Puyol oyster. It is a marine oyster which produces more and more eggs. But naturally, it is not possible to all eggs have been fertilized, because of it is a natural phenomena. For example, in our human being produce semen, the semen contains so many sperm, so many number of sperms, which is not all fertilized, only 1 or 2 or 3 sperms have been fertilized, but all the sperms have been killed by naturally and some biochemical nature. So he explained the paramecium also. The paramecium is having the multiplication of their cells which produce asexual reproductions, which produce about 24 hours, about 1,000 numbers. So when you calculate these numbers, it is not possible to accumulate this earth because the overproduction is not possible. Then he explained constancy of population. Next, constancy. The population should be constancy. Otherwise, the overproduction of population have been damage to our environment and damage their living place, and also it is somewhat difficult to live freely. Then very important point of this natural selection theory and the Darwin theory is struggle for existence. So it is very common phenomena. The struggle for existence is very interesting for each and every living organisms, not only man, other animals and other microbes also. They are struggle for existence because they have to struggle for getting their food. For sometimes fast running animals like deer, they have going very fast. Then naturally it occur because they want to sustain this life in this earth because they have predator lion and tiger having forcefully come to attack the deer. So the struggle for existence have been the intraspecific and interspecific. He classified two types, intraspecific and interspecific. Some animals have the same species have been struggle for existence. Some animals, other species can interact, the intra and interspecific struggle for existence. For example, cat and rat, and man to man, and man to snake, like that. It is explained by the Dr. Charles Darwin. Then variations. Already we discussed the mutation theory. I explained about the mutation theory. The variations of flowers or variations of plants, variations of animals, variations is a very important role. He explained about the variations very particularly with giving so many animals examples. Next, survival of the fittest. Another important, very important theory or very important base of this natural selection theory, survival of the fittest. It was a very interesting one, the story going on like that. Once upon after Second World War, a particular insect like moth, a particular moth is color actually yellowish color, moth. Yellowish color moth. Actually, yellowish color moth, what happened after some time after Second World War, the industrialization. The industries have been grow like mushroom, and it is grow very fast in London. At that time, what happened? The yellowish moth can adopt like a grey color moth. Grey color moth. It adapted and it adapted themselves. Yellowish turn over into grey color moth because it escaped from their enemies, predators like birds, other animals cannot found because the industry produces the various flumes, which is blackish color. It is going to spreading the trees. So automatically, when you sit in the grey moth on the grey color trees, the predators like birds cannot found. They could not found the grey moth, so it can escape from the predators. So it is survival of the fittest. It is natural selection. Natural selection is one of the very main phenomena of this Darwinism. Then he explained about heredity. Heredity, he don't know about gene, but he explained about heredity. Father carrying some hereditary characters to the offspring, which is carrying some characters. Then artificial selection. It is a very interesting one. Nowadays, the animal husbandry and animal science, which take some artificial selection, the producing new variety of animals and new variety of animals which give the more amount of milk and meat. The sexual selection. It is other important phenomena for the natural selection. The sexual selection is only because the male are dominant when the sexual scale, the female have been attracted for the male, which produce some pheromones and other colors. The pangenesis theory, this is one of the important theory of Darwin theory. The pangenesis, some genes are found in the sperm or ovary. Some genes are found in the body cells. You don't know about body cells and the genes, but he explained the pangenesis theory. So, what is conclusion about this natural selection theory is, all the scientists, even though biotechnologists, environmental biologists, or other zoologists, entomologists, are all focused to try enough to get basic concept of this evolutionary theory of Darwin. So, my dear students, why we have selected this kind of topic? Because we should know about what are the evolutionary significance and what are the evolutionary process. And also when I was referring one dictionary, I found one small meaning of what is friendship. Friendship, what is friendship? Friends. Once I was a refer, what is the meaning of friendship? The great philosopher Aristotle was a great philosopher. I was attracted by him because he explained not only the friendship and other things, and he explained about what are the plots of drama, what are the comedy of drama, what are the comedy plots are involving this drama, plays. And I was very expressed and I was very impressed Aristotle philosophy. When he was explaining about this friendship, friends are three types. One is when you go to search in your dictionary, my dear students, you should refer a dictionary often. Our students are not refer dictionary. So you refer a dictionary, go to your house or lesser time, refer your dictionary, what is friendship. That immediately open Aristotle explanation. Explained three friendship. One is utility friendship, second one is fragile friendship, and the third one is true friendship. What is utility friendship? When I was doing some business, I get some amount from the partner, but I get a friendship, but I am not getting true friendship, just based on utility. Second one is fragile friendship. It is nothing but we are going to sitting in the coffee shop and taking coffee with friends and making friends, and we are going to the cinema and we are seeing movie, we are enjoying pleasure. So very fragile. It is not a true friendship, but it is giving some pleasant. And true friendship is very important. The friendship should be continuity of their life. It should be help to others, and each and everybody should, each and every person should get the benefit, not only benefit and some values, some values and morality. So that's why I am going to take this kind of Darwin theory and Lamarck theory and De Vries theory and so many other social scientist theory like Karl Marx theory. Like that we can study. We are just studying about biotechnology, but we ignore these kind of people. I am very sorry. We should learn something, because it is a learning process. Our process are learning process. So, my dear students, I think it is useful for you. I am giving some basic idea and the basic phenomena of the natural science theory, how we interact with all sciences, all biological science, all physical science, and other health science. Thank you very much for watching.